For 4 years, Donald Trump has refused to release his tax returns, fighting it in multiple courts, even losing in a Supreme Court decision. It's obvious he's hiding something he doesn't want the country to know. The New York Times received data of the tax returns the president has been hiding. Now we know much more of what he didn't want us to know. Paramount to what was learned is that Trump, a self-titled billionaire, paid just $750 in taxes the year he first refused to share his tax returns, 2016. He paid the same the next year, the year he was inaugurated as President of the United States. In 10 of the previous 15 years, he paid no taxes at all because he reported losing much more money than he reported earning. The Times obtained Trump's tax return data from more than 20 years of returns. Not included are the last 2 years of returns. The data is from information Trump disclosed to the IRS. This does not show his true wealth. Alan Garden, Trump Organization attorney, said that most, if not all, of the facts appear to be inaccurate. He requested the documents the Times based the article on, but the Times declined, wanting to protect its sources. After the Times's refusal, Garden said in a statement, "Over the past decade, President Trump has paid tens of millions of dollars in personal taxes to the federal government, including paying millions in personal taxes since announcing his candidacy in 2015. But personal taxes appear to be other federal taxes such as Social Security, Medicare, etc. Trump has paid and not income tax." Garden also claimed some of what his client owed was paid with tax credits, which reduce a business owner's income taxes owed for various activities, such as historic preservation. When Trump hosted The Apprentice, he brought in a total of $427.4 million, when combined with his licensing and endorsement deals. He invested much of that into golf courses and other businesses. These have been losing income for him instead of making it. When Trump refused to release his tax returns as a presidential nominee in 2016, he said there was far more useful information in the annual financial disclosures that he is required to file as president. But those filings only report revenue and not profit. He announced in 2018 he had made at least $434.9 million. However, his tax records show $47.4 million in losses. With no explanation from the returns, the general and administrative expenses at Trump's Bedminster Golf Club in New Jersey increased 5 times over from 2016 to 2017. He has bragged in the past that being able to not pay taxes makes me smart. But his returns show it's not great business acumen and just throwing more money into his businesses than he's making. Along with all of that, he has the multiple court cases demanding to see his tax returns, and within the next 4 years, obligations he is personally responsible for, more than $300 million in loans, will be due. Trump said when he took office that he would not pursue new foreign deals. Yet, he made $73 million abroad in his first 2 years in the White House. Much was from his golf courses in Scotland and Ireland, but he also made $3 million in the Philippines, $2.3 million in India, and $1 million in Turkey. While not paying more than $750 in the US, he paid much more in taxes in these other countries. He paid $15,598 to Panama, $145,400 to India, and $156,824 in the Philippines. The president is cheating his own country out of taxes on his income while paying thousands to other countries. Without adjusting for inflation, Trump's $750 is comparable to what Richard Nixon paid in 1970. The man that resigned in disgrace paid $792.81 on $200,000 in income. There were many upset by Nixon's tax payment, and this is when it was decided presidents and presidential candidates would show their taxes.